All right, today I'm going to be breaking down what Petri dishes are because there's so much confusion online as to what these even do and what it actually means for mold being in your home. So we're going to jump straight into it. So if we rewind back to school and you've taken a biology class, you probably remember this. You grab a Petri dish and you swab anything, your phone, your desk, your shoe, and something almost always grows. Why? Because a Petri dish is literally designed to grow microorganisms. It's filled with nutrients and moisture, basically the perfect environment for bacteria and all kinds of microscopic life to thrive, including mold spores. And just like in school, the same thing happens in your home. Spores are everywhere, including inside your house, and that's completely normal. If you've seen our most recent YouTube video, you'll know that they carry on your shoes, your clothes, your dog, your kids, and every time you open a door or window, outside air brings more spores inside. So here's the problem. If even one mold spore from outside lands on a Petri dish sitting in your house, it's going to germinate and grow. That doesn't mean mold is growing in your walls, it just means a spore landed on a perfect food source. All a Petri dish can tell you is what species grew. It might say Aspergillus or Cladosporium, but it can't tell you where the spore came from, whether it came from inside or outside, or how many spores are actually in your home's air. That's why air sampling is so important. Professional samples tell you the spore counts, the actual number of spores in your air, so you can compare indoor levels to outdoor levels and know if something is truly elevated. And numbers alone aren't enough. A good assessor will check your ducts, walls, attic, and all the places mold can hide and compare that inspection with the lab results. So remember, growth on a Petri dish doesn't mean you have a mold problem. It just means spores landed on food. If you want real answers, you need proper air sampling and a full inspection.